Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Claude AI desktop app on Windows. This is a straightforward process that will give you quick access to Claude directly from your desktop without needing to open a browser every time. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to claude.com/download. This is the official download page where you can get the desktop application for various operating systems. Once you're on this page, you'll see different platform options available. Next, click on Windows. This will initiate the download process specifically for the Windows version of the Claude desktop app. Make sure you're selecting the right operating system to ensure compatibility with your device. After clicking Windows, navigate to the upper right section of your browser where you'll find the download section. This area displays all your recently downloaded files. Look for the Claude installer file and click Open to proceed. This action will launch the installer and prepare your system for the installation. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds as the download begins. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a moment or two. Be patient and let the file download completely before moving forward. Once the installer starts running, a message will pop up on your screen. This is a standard security prompt from Windows asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to allow the installation to continue. This step is necessary for the app to install properly on your system. After the installation completes, you'll see a prompt to get started with Claude. Click Get Started to launch the application for the first time. This will open the welcome screen where you can set up your access to the AI assistant. Finally, you'll have two options to proceed. You can continue with Google, which allows you to sign in using your existing Google account for quick access. Alternatively, you can continue with email if you prefer to use a different email address or create a new account directly. Choose whichever method works best for you, and you'll be all set to start using Claude on your Windows desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Claude AI desktop app on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.